Hello my guys, welcome to another episode. I have a 2021 Toyota RAV4. This is the XLE model. I'm gonna do the first modification because this RAV4 needs LEDs. I have these LEDs that I purchased through Amazon. The link is gonna be in the description. This is the H11. It was supposed to be for the 2019 RAV4, but today I trade that one in for this 2021. So this one has regular bulbs on the fog lights. Those are the regular bulbs on the fog lights. That's how they look. I'm gonna drive around a little bit to show you how they look at night. You don't get a lot of visibility and brightness with the regular bulbs. Let me turn them off. That's without fog lights. That's with fog lights. And it's really easy to replace them. I'm gonna show you in a minute how to get to them. Just like my 2019, we're gonna replace the fog lights and see the difference between these and the new LEDs. This is the same concept like the 2019. Remove one clip right here is hidden in there, and the 10mm bolt right here. These three. Once you remove those, you can pull the liner, and right in there you're gonna see the fog lights. Unplug it, turn the bulb, and remove it. This is H16, and this is the new fog light LEDs, which is H11. Same connector, plug looks the same. I'm gonna put this one. Concept is just basically the same. You're replacing your regular bulb with LED, same type of light, but this is gonna be brighter. It's gonna look a lot better, and hopefully with visibility it's gonna be improved. If you can see there, it's hard to record while I'm doing the installation because it's not a lot of room, but the new LED is in. That's with the new LED, and that's still the regular bulb. The plug is the same, so actually H16 is the same as H11. There you go, much brighter than the regular. Right here I have a flathead screwdriver. These clips are really easy to remove. Just remove that one. Right there on the bottom you have the second one. The new LEDs, the seal is really good, seals really good, it's really tight and snug in there. Visibility is gonna be brighter, a lot better, and material for that LED, the construction is just well made. The brand is well known in Amazon. You see the difference? A lot brighter, they look a lot better. And if you can see, the cutout is in the same position because these LEDs are made for fog lights. See the difference? A lot brighter. That is with fog lights, that's without them. A lot of difference. Fog lights help a lot, especially on your left and on your right. You can see if it's a deer kid on the side of the road, you can see a lot better with the fog lights. Definitely a must. And it's really simple. It takes like 5 minutes to remove the liner and replace the bulbs. You can't go wrong with that. Without them, with them. Well guys, what do you think about the new installation? This is a 2021 Toyota RAV4 XLE. The regular bulbs are H16, you can do H11. And I'm going to put the link in the description for these new LEDs from Sealight. Really good, they perform really well. Brightness is just outstanding. Okay guys, I'll leave it with that. I hope you like this little episode. New installation for the 2021 Toyota RAV4. with the Sealight H11 LEDs. If you have any questions, please comment down below. I'm gonna be happy to help. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to subscribe and see you in the next one. Peace.